Assalamualaikum guys. So today with a new video and exciting scholarship. Today's scholarship is about Scotland government-based scholarship 2025 and 26, and I am Adil Akram. First of all, we will discuss about some detail this about this scholarship, and then I will guide you how you can apply on this scholarship. So let's move toward the detail. Scholarship coverage. Scholarship is funded for following durations. Master MPhil degree maximum is 2 years. For undergraduate degree maximum 4 years. They will cover full tuition fee and also they will provide you a airfare. What kind of courses that you can study in this scholarship? It included education, sustainable energy, food security, agriculture, health, science, STEM. Engineering included science, technology, engineering, mathematics, climate change, food security, agriculture, education, health science, and climate change. There's a lot of program you can study in this scholarship. What kind of documents you need when you are going to apply for this scholarship? First of all, you need a copy of your CNIC. If you belongs to Pakistan, you need a CNIC copy. If you belong to other country, then you need your passport or other documents. You need your guardian salary slip. If they are retired, you need their pension slip and copy of your last result. If you have any kind of disability, then you need a certificate. If you belong to those people who have disability, they have a margin in this scholarship. They can get it. They have separate quota in this scholarship. Also, you need to write about personal statement of 500 to 1000 words. Explain why you are the best candidate for this scholarship. What kind of benefit you will get? You will get a full tuition fee, monthly stipend, accommodation, airfare tickets, insurance, and books. How to apply for Scotland scholarship? I will guide you today how you can apply for this scholarship. There are two portals on the website. First one is when you are going to apply for master or MPhil scholarship, and second one when you are going to apply for a bachelor program. These portals basically are for a young woman and girls, and also for bachelor is for young women and girls. Other people belongs to other countries other than the Pakistan, or the boys, they can apply on the Scotland main website. How to apply, I will guide you all through this process. First of all, how you can apply for master and bachelor, they have the same procedure. First of all, you have to read this all documents. Like, you need a copy of CNIC. I already told you about detail of these documents. Now what you have to do now, please upload the above mentioned document in a single PDF. You have to scan all the documents, convert into PDF file, merge all the PDF, and then choose file, upload from your computer. Your file will be going to upload, and then have you uploaded all the document as mentioned above? Yes. Wait until your file is going to upload. Put yes and then click on next. In the next section, you have to choose female because I already told you these two portals are for females, and male section will be apply here, and other country people who belongs to other countries, non EU countries and EU countries, they will apply on this website. Full name of the applicant, you have to write your full name here. You have to put your date of birth and then choose your nationality. If you are going to applying for Pakistan, then you will choose Pakistani, then otherwise other. From which ethnic group do you belong? So you have to choose your that you are belong to Punjab, Pashtun, Sindh, Saraiki. You are Urdu speaking. It depends on you which you are choosing. You have to write your phone number, your email address, and which province you belong. You have to choose there all of province they provide, like Sindh, Gilgit Baltistan, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and AGK. So all Pakistani women, young girls and women who are going to pursue their bachelor and master degree, they can apply on this scholarship. Please enter the applicant CNIC number. You have to write your CNIC number here. After that, current status of the applicant. You can put student. If you are employed, then click employed. Otherwise, you have to mention something here. Then click on next. Next, they ask, do you hold a confirmed admission offer from HAC recognized university? For example, if someone is going to apply for a BS degree in Pakistan all over, if they already have admission, they can put admission letter here. If they already have a application in a master degree, they can put information here. Otherwise, if you don't have any admission notice, you can put it no, and later you have to mention these kind of information. Have you applied for admission? Please select the name of the university. If you already study in any university in a bachelor and in a master degree, you can also apply. If you just applied in a university, also you can apply for this scholarship. If you are thinking to apply for the degree, you can apply for this scholarship. It depends on you. All of the universities they mention here all over Pakistan, so you have to choose your university here. What do you expect to hear a decision from the university? It depends on you. You can write anything here and click on next. After that, are you currently availing any other scholarships? You have to put no. Have you ever been awarded the Scotland Pakistan scholarship before? It depends on your information. Please include detail from most recent college degree. Now here you have to write your information. If you are going to apply for master degree, you have to write about the bachelor degree. If you are going to apply for a bachelor degree, you have to write about intermediate education. What is your CGPA and what is your marks? You have to write it here and then click on next. Are you currently working? It depends on you if you are employed or no. Then click on next. Now here you have to write information about your father, mother and your guardian. First of all, they asking about the father information. You have to write your father CNIC, mother information, and total number of household member, how many siblings, including your father, mother, grandpa and grandma. You have to write it here. Total number of earning member, how many members are earning there. You can write that, 1, 2 or 3. Then click on next. Will you be requiring hostel facility? You have to put it yes, because Scotland universities will provide you hostel inside the university. If yes, what is your city of residence? What is your current home city? You can mention if you belongs to any country or any city in a Pakistan, you can write their information and also you can put the location here. Is the hostel on a campus? You can write if you are already living in a hostel, you can put it yes. If you are living outside, you can put it no. If the hostel is not on a campus, where will you be staying? You have to write information here. All of the and how much you are paying for the hostel fee. You have to inform all of. British Council is committed to benefit individual from all different needs with learning difficulties or disabilities. Please let us know. So I already told you those who have disability problem, they have to get their certificate from the district office and they can apply on the disability certificate and they will get a special quota. So you have to put it yes or no, it depends on your condition, and then click on next. After that they will ask you that which religious group you are belong: Muslim, Hindu, Christianity, Sikh, Parsi, Ahmadi, Kalash. Depends on which are you, so you have to choose one. And then you have to write 500 to 1000 word about why you are applying for this scholarship and why this scholarship choose you. I already told you about the document section. You have to write personal statement about 500 to 1000 words. And then you can see that as you putting your information in the specific places, your bar is going to filling up. Like now it's a 100%, and after that you have to click on done, and you will get the notification. Thank you for submitting your response. Please note that only successful candidate will be informed by email. So you have to click on done. This is for a MS and MPhil section. Now for a bachelor section, the same procedure you can apply it here. I will put both of the website URL in the description section, so you can take it and copy or paste it in a Google, so you will get that portal, that how you can apply. So now we will move to the how to apply in Scotland. Other than the girls or Pakistani peoples, how you can choose a scholarship on their website. They have all the information that how to apply. Applying for undergraduate scholarship, you have to go to UCAS website. Applying for postgraduate include both graduate and master and PhD degrees. You have to go UCAS postgraduate website. And also applying for the Royal Conservatory Scotland, you can also go for the link. They already have all of the links here. You have to click it and make an account and go for the procedure. And also about English language requirement. In this section, you don't need to put any kind of English language certificate. If your last degree is totally in English, you will be waived out from the English language requirement. Otherwise, you have to provide your English test. This is all of the information you can get on this website. I also put the link of this website in the description section, so you can choose it or apply it easily. Share this video with your friends, with your school or college fellows, or in the groups. And remember me in your prayers.